Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your analytics on your TikTok profile. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. It usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. And here, in this little pop-up, we tap on Creator Tools. And in the Creator Tools option, there are multiple things that we can do, since it's a Creator Tools. But at the top of the list, there is Analytics. We tap on that. And here, if you have posts and you use the TikTok app frequently, then there are going to be some different statistics about your viewers, their age group, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.